How to fix camera shutter lag in Samsung A16. So let's start the video. First of all, reset camera setting. For reset your camera settings, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and open camera and then click on camera settings. In camera settings, scroll down in last and here you can see the option reset settings. Now reset your camera settings. After reset your camera settings, then go back and check your software update. For checking your software update, then open device care and then click on software update, and here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update your latest software, then update it to latest software. After updating the latest software, then factory reset. For factory reset, open general management and scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down in last and here you can see the option factory reset. Now click on factory data reset and here you can reset your factory data. After factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.